Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of irritate on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Netflix. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your